What up, Vape Nation? What's good? What's poppin'? It's your boy Aaron. Yup, with another review. Today, I'm going to take a look at Ripple by Wellon Tech. Yup, I've been hitting it for a couple days, for about 3 days, and I'm liking it. Small, light. I took a lighter and I put it next to the Ripple, and I'm like, whoa, same length, same width. Then I'm chucking some decent clouds. Then also, I'm getting my throat hit. I'm like, yo, this is popping. I'm liking this. So let's jump right into it and let's take a look at it. Let's do this. All right, so it comes in a nice black and red box. It says Ripple on there. And on the bottom there, their slogan, just one kiss and enjoy a great vape. That's a pretty cool slogan. On the side of the box, big vape, magnetic, skin sensor, portable, and what color Ripple comes in the box. They make 4 colors: silver and black, gold, and rose gold. Wellon Tech sent me their rose gold and gold to review. In back of the box, package contents. So let's see what goodies we have in here. Let's check it out. See what we got inside here. So you get a manual and you get a micro USB charging cable. That's it. And your Ripple. Alright, so this is the rose gold one. Looks pretty cool. I like the look on it. In the front, on the bottom it says Ripple. And in the back it says Wellon on it. It's made out of aluminum. The mouthpiece is made out of plastic. And the bottom is made out of plastic. It does not have a firing button. It is skin sensor. So once it touches your lip, it will trigger it and you're able to vape. That metal strip there is the sensor, and on the other side you have another metal strip. So on both sides you have the metal strip. Alright, on the side there you have a window, so you're able to see your juice level. On the other side, on the bottom, you got your micro USB port to charge it, and you have a little dot. I call it a little dot, but that little dot is where you're able to see a light that flashes there. Okay? Now, to juice it up, very simple. On your mouthpiece, on the other side, it doesn't have that metal strip on there. You pull that up. There's your atomizer. It has ceramic coil. It has 4 airflows on the bottom. I hope you can see them. Okay? And that half a mouthpiece, that's what I call it. You pull that off. It's magnetic, so it just comes right off. And then you have your cap on there. That metal cap on there, you unscrew it. And that's where you fill it up with your favorite e-juice on the side of it. Be careful that you don't pour it inside that little hole on there. Alright? So, they recommend you use high nick juice on here. Because if you use that low nick, that 3 or that 6, you're not going to get that satisfactory throat hit on there. Alright? The juice that I use is sodium, and they carry a bunch of different flavors. Salt Nick, nice, good flavors, good taste. Go check them out. I'm gonna leave the description on the bottom. All right, so you pop your half a mouthpiece back on there. It goes right on there because it's magnetic, so it'll pop right in there. Boom. Okay, then you slap your half a mouthpiece back on your battery. Now, on the side of that little dot that I call it, once I get the atomizer in there, sitting in there right, it's gonna turn on green. That's telling you that it's ready to use. Okay? So, hope you can see it. Okay, that means that it's ready to hit. Alright? The battery fully charged will last you maybe about 4 hours or 75 puffs. It has a 650 milliamp hour battery in here. Alright, it takes about maybe 2 hours to fully charge it. And once it's fully charged, it's at 4.2 voltage. Alright, so it's time to take a hit. Let's take a hit. Let's see what's popping. A decent cloud. Nice throw hit. I'm getting nice flavor. It's pretty cool. I'm really liking this. It's a pretty cool device. And it's portable. Put it in your pocket. If you get one of those nicotine fit, boom, you hit it. That's why, to me, it's really good for these people that are trying to quit smoking cigarettes and want to jump into vaping. Perfect. This is perfect for them. I recommend this. And even for us experienced vapors, if you're fiending for that nicotine hit, man, you just pull it out of your pocket, take a hit, and you're good. You're good to go. I'm liking this, and I want to take another hit. I just got excited about it. I'm gonna take one more hit. Alright, so I'm going to leave the description on the bottom for Wellington Tech website. Alright, again, they come in 4 different colors. Silver black, gold, and rose gold. And you can also purchase extra Atomizer. They come in a pack of 5. It's pretty cool. Alright, so that's a wrap for today. Till next time, stay up. And let's vape on. Peace.